So this is the Hilton Bogota, and this is my quick room tour. So as you come through the door, you go sort of straight into the bedroom area. There are tea and coffee making kind of facilities and glasses on there, mini bar stuff and a fridge down in there. Then straight through to a really nice big bed, and I'm looking forward to that after a long haul flight. Big TV as well, a desk, and I'm here for kind of business stuff, so that will come in handy, and a nice chair to kind of read on. So near Zona G and like a few good places to eat near the JW Marriott as well. But this place seems really nice, quite clean. Through here, you've got a place to put bags. You've got your iron and ironing board, hairdryer, which I always look for, safe, drawers and laundry stuff, places to hang your clothes here. And then in here, I'll just stick the light on. Sink. Nice big mirrors for when I'm kind of getting ready. Towels there. Some pretty nice things. Usual kind of Hilton toiletries. Shower, which looks good. I'm going to jump in there very soon. Toilet there. So all really nice. This is Hilton in Bogota, and it's let me see whether it's got the name of it on. It's kind of central. It's like near it's in the kind of financial district, so a really good location and very comfortable, really clean. So I'd definitely give it a thumbs up right now.